I'm Chrissy Pooh back with another video. So today we will be doing a synthetic wig review. I will be installing it in my head and we will see what she's giving. But this is my first time doing a synthetic wig. Usually I do human hair. It's not my first time wearing a synthetic wig. It's just my first time actually doing it on YouTube and actually installing it on camera. So I ordered this wig. This is the Outre melted hairline lace front wig, and I want to say Lilyana, I believe it's pronounced Lilyana. And this is how it looks. This is I'll take the stock card out and so you can see it better. But this is how it looks. I ordered this from Sam's Beauty. I also ordered another wig. I wanted to do like this fall time edition of you know, like synthetic wigs or affordable wigs, but you know, fall time's almost up. But anyway, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm reviewing, and I have more for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment any questions down below, or if it's any wigs that you would like me to review, then just comment that down below. But if you want to see this look, then just keep on watching. I will give you better details on everything towards the end once I have styled her and everything, so that I could give you my final review on it. So like I say, if you are interested in this look, then just keep on watching.
This shit high, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I won't stun. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb, looking icy. I ain't never stressed about a fit, I'm on hype. I want more friends, there's no problems. I been living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah, my foot is in the bins, yeah, I'm riding with a gang. Yeah, I hit a hard lick, I'm the top shit. Bought a two-seater, it's a Beamer, more than 100 racks. VV's Aquafina, I be iced, I don't ever cap. First name deal, I got my bag, yeah, we automatic. Ice cream reefer, hold it up, yeah, we feeling gas. Driving with a top, going 100, running flow with her. Riding with my shawty, yeah, I knew I had to flow with her. Looking like a bottle, shawty bad, yeah, she know what's up. Looking at the stars, I don't fuck it up. Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my heart, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I won't stun. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb, looking icy. I ain't never stressed about a fit, I'm on hype beats.
This shit high, boy.
Boy, you know you Hop inside an Audi, then I did the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I want it, smoking marijuana. Keep it hotter than a sauna, smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They tested me to a challenge and they didn't show up. Where they at though? Pop out at your party and I got the stick tuck. You just walked out on your skateboard looking like a dumb fuck. Mama told me get a bag and I said run it up. With the naughty and a jag, but I need a bench truck. I need real cheese, big ass peso. Don't fuck with me or this fucking bankroll. Got a 4.0 GPA on the road. Beating up and down the freeway, didn't pay a single toll. If you fuck with my money moves, I'll make it rest relevant. I'll make all of these niggas mad. They might scream and cry and vent. I might stack up 100 racks and buy me an elephant. I might send you another fact. Could you tell me if it's sent? Hop inside an Audi, then I did the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I want it, smoking marijuana. Keep it hotter than a sauna, smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They tested me to a challenge and they didn't show up. Didn't show up, I'm knocking at your door, right? Taking meds till I pass out on the floor, right? If I need to step up, I say goodnight. Written on the ground in chalk, all that off-white. Put you right up on a shirt. I'll be damned if I never put in work. You a broke ass bitch, your pockets hurt. And I carry an Uzi, no vert, chillin' in the jacuzzi. My way, 90 on the dash, driving down the highway. Only care about the cash, what the fuck can I say? I've been waiting for the blow up, call me Pompeii. Hey, hop inside an Audi, then I did the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I want it, smoking marijuana. Keep it hotter than a sauna, smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They tested me to a challenge and they didn't show up.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that.
So let me tell y'all something, okay? Let me tell y'all something. When I took baby out the box, she was giving out the box, okay? I ain't even had to put her on. Like, do y'all see, like, this luster, this shine, this pattern, these crimps? Like, when I tell you to drop down that description and go purchase this wig, drop down that description and go purchase this wig, okay? Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. No, seriously, you guys, like, y'all have to buy this wig. I was supposed to do a whole nother video on styling my hair after this wig, but I can't do it. I can't do it because I'm like, I need people to see me in this hair. Like, are y'all seeing this? Like, I need people to see me in this. I cannot, I'm not styling my hair after this. I'm not taking this off yet. She gonna get some wear and tear. But no, if you guys want me to give you an updated review on it once I wear it and everything, because I want to wear it for a little minute just to see what she's giving. This is like my first synthetic wig, like I said before, of me actually wearing, like putting on my hair. Usually I wear like half wigs, like that type of thing, but as far as actually, you know, spraying the lace down and doing all I did to manipulate this. Now, I will say, it was easy to install, but the lace I had put, well, you saw me put foundation under the lace. You still will have to put it on top. I feel like me putting it under the lace didn't do anything, so you might as well just cut that part out and just put it on top, because it literally did nothing when I put it under the lace. But other than that, like, I have no complaints, like literally none whatsoever. The only thing I can say is that it took me a little longer just because I've been out of practice. I haven't done like a wig review video and it's been a minute. It's been a very long time. And honestly, with me doing all the protective styles and natural hairstyles that I've been doing, I haven't even done like installing of a wig on my head even off camera. So I haven't had a wig on in a very long time. So I also wanted to talk about my like review on this this Ebin lace spray. I bought this is the extreme firm hold and this is the mega hold. By the way, these little bottles, I can already feel the amount that I use would, like, this is not going to last long, this little bottle. But anyway, I just was trying it out, so I bought these little sizes. I feel like for us sweaty girls, I feel like this would not hold long. At some point of me even trying to style my baby hairs, my lace came up. And yeah, I'm not really sure as to whether, you know, I kind of, well, that might be my fault also, because I put the lace over top of my makeup instead of, you know, alcohol and then doing all that. I didn't want to go through all that, so I put the lace like directly on top of my makeup, so that could have been me. But I'm not sure as to which one is supposed to be stronger. So if you guys know, then let me know, because I'm like mega hold and then it says firm hold. So like which one is supposed to be strong? I'm not really sure. I think the red can is. Just let me know down in the comments. But yeah, back to the wig. Like so would I recommend this spray? First of all, would I recommend this spray? I would recommend it for like a quick hold, or maybe if you're not like one of the sweaty girls like me, you know, I would recommend it for a quick hold. You got this wig, you want to put it on, go slay real quick, do your thing. I would recommend this spray. I'm used to using Ghost Bond. If you haven't watched like my previous videos on installing a wig, I've used Ghost Bond since pretty much since I've started like putting wigs on my head. So that's what I was pretty much used to. Even like the Got to Be spray, I would spray that on my head. Like, say like I put Ghost Bond on, I installed my wig and everything, and I see like a piece of lace lifting up, then I would use the Got to Be spray. But I normally didn't really use that either. But anyway, back to the wig. So this is the Outre, like I said in the beginning of the video, Outre Melted Hairline, Lilyana. And I will have, like I said, have the link down below. I will have the name on the screen. This is in the color 1. This is how the stock card looks. And as you can see, the wig looks like pretty much exactly like the stock card. So she does come in other colors. I got, like I said, color 1. She comes in like a cherry red color, a cinnamon mocha color. I actually want that one. Well, I want her in all colors. Okay, like I literally want her in all colors. It's a golden honey, it's a hazelnut honey, and then a strawberry gold. So these are kind of like how they look. And once again, guys, I got this stuff. I got the spray and the wig, the wig from Sam's Beauty. This is how the box looks. This is how she came. And the description, melted hairline, matches perfectly with that. So yeah, you guys, so she is soft. I will say after manipulating for a while, I do get a little tangle. I haven't brushed through it, which I don't plan on doing because I absolutely see no reason to really do that. I will finger comb as I'm doing now. This doesn't seem like one of the units that will really like start fluffing out too much. What I like about her is you could do like a half up, half down. Like this is just, it's very versatile. I probably leave it down like this. But yeah, like she's really soft. Like I said, my con is literally like the lace, and just like, that's not even really a con for me. It's like either way you got tension lace, that's not even an issue for me. Like, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. But anyway, this is what she's giving. This is where she comes on my back. And I'm not sure how many inches it's supposed to be. Sorry. I don't know how many inches it's supposed to be. But I would definitely say it's probably, I want to say about 22 inches. Maybe 24 at the longest, because she's pretty layered. That's the thing. She's pretty layered. We have like shorter pieces, like if you've seen it, like up here. And then she goes all the way down here. So it's like a layered look. I don't want to say choppy because it's not really all that choppy. It's just like a really nice layered look. So this is probably the shortest piece. And like I said, it goes all the way down here, like to my midsection. So yeah, you guys. Overall, I would give this an absolute 10 out of 10. And that, oh yeah, and before we end this video, if you would like a tutorial on my eyebrows, I do have a video up on my channel, so please go check that out. I'll actually put the iCard on the screen so you could check that out. But anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.